to join them. Okay, now you can see I've just moved them. And now you can see my flower garden. So this is mostly the outside. I'm just going to draw a fence here. And then I'm going to draw the door out to the fence. And then you can see this is the balcony. I'm just going to draw myself here. Here is my quick sketch. You can have a look at it. And also, I'm just gonna label. If you go this way, there's kind of this here. And then you can go here. And then there are some bushes that have flowers near them. So then I'm gonna draw a line, just like that. And now I'm gonna draw some plants, as I'm gonna just use my brown color to help me. You can see here as there's lots of colors, so I'm just gonna use the brown and just color it. Okay, that's it. Now I'm gonna get the green. And I'm just gonna draw some plants going crazy. I mean, they're crazy. I don't even know which direction they go. Anyway, I'm just gonna draw them straight. And then, there is all my things. And now for this part, you can use any color you want. As you see, I love red, so I'm just gonna use light red to the normal color of the flowers. Yeah, the normal. There is my flower. But it's winter, so mostly they're going. But anyways, I'm just gonna... And then there's pink. This pink looks good. So as you can see, this is what I've drawn now. And now it's the fun part. Now I'm just gonna draw the sun. It's pretty easy. Draw the sun. There we go. And now it's the fun part for all of you. And for this part, you get to color whatever. And I'm just going to do one thing. Make this longer. So this is what I've made. As you can see, I made one of my home and part of it my outside. I used many stickers, but now it's for sticker party fun time. But first I would use the stickers. Anyway, here we go. So you can put whatever sticker you want. I just like any mostly sticker. I'm just gonna take this sticker. As you can see, it's kind of not working. I thought it would. Okay, now. And I'm just gonna put it in my hand because I love flowers. Use the green and the mini stem. You can't really see it there. Thank you for watching, and I just want to show you this. I made this also. I made it kind of crazy. So I used the back. So I have now 2 maps. I can tell you this is my home. This is the fire station. That's the closest. This is the police. This is the hospital. And this is a huge library. And thank you for watching. Hope you try this activity at home. It's pretty easy. You can use whatever ingredients you want. And I hope you watch my other videos and subscribe down and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching.